In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Stirling PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Stirling PDF and you want to sign into your account. And then from here, you want to add your files. So I just added a file over here. If you want to add a new one, click on the plus button here on the left, and it's going to allow you to upload a PDF you want to edit text in. So whenever you do this, you'll see it in here and you want to basically click on it to open it. And then from here, what you have to do on the right-hand side, you want to go and extend the menu and click on PDF text editor under recommended. So just click on that and it's going to open up this editor over here. It's going to start the conversion. There we go. And then here you will get this early access notification. So just click on got it. And as you can see here, this is early access and it's going to allow you to edit your text. So if I now go somewhere, for example, to a specific page, like page, let's just go to page 3, for example, you can see over here, I can click on any text and it's going to allow me to edit it. So I can just click anywhere and I'm going to, for example, click on in here and I'm going to make this like bold, for example, by pressing Control B. That's going to work. As you can see, I can delete some text, I can add some text, I can go and change whatever I want, and that's essentially how to edit your text in Stirling PDF. Now over here on the right, you will have different things. You have like the advanced settings over here, and of course you can extend these to basically allow the text grouping modes to be changed. You have auto, you have paragraph, you have single line, etc. And then down here you can find your fonts, you can see them, you can apply changes, download a copy, reset changes, etc. Okay, so it's going to allow you to do a bunch of different things, and then when you're done, don't forget to apply changes and save it, and then you can click on the X button top right and you've successfully edited your text in Stirling PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.